Hello everyone, welcome you all. This is Suresh from SDET Automation channel. Today in this session we're going to learn about Python operators. In the last session we have seen about loops. So in case if you are new to this session, do watch my previous session and we'll get started. Let me create a new Python file from here. So I'm going to right click to my project and go to this Python file and create operators. So this is my new Python class file. So let me show you how we're going to represent the whole numbers. For example, uh, count 1 is equal to, let me give 20. So this is how we represent whole numbers. To represent a floating value in Python, what we're going to use, count 2 is equal to 25.5. so this is how we represent the floating values. So now in Python we're gonna add this both count 1 and count 2 using a print function. So I'm gonna use this print function and I'm gonna call this count 1 plus. So this is how we add two numbers in Python. Again we wanna use this count 2. So I'm gonna add these two numbers here. So count 1 plus count 2. So simply execute this program and you're gonna see the output of this program. Now we're gonna try one more operation to use the subtraction. To do the subtraction we can use this hyphen symbol. So this will provide us the subtraction between these numbers, and we can use the multiplication operation using a star. So one asterisk symbol will represent the multiplication operation here, and we can use the division also. So to do the division operation we can use this single forward slash, and we're going to do a division operation here. Similarly, we can use some more operations like modulus operation. So let's see what we're gonna use this modulo operation. So for representing the modulus operation, we can use this percentage symbol. So this will help us to get the exact value of our modulus operation. So we can use the exponential. Exponential nothing but using squaring of a number. So I'm gonna use this exponential number. So like 2 power 2 or 2 power 3, 20 power 25. So like this we're gonna represent. Let me use this two stars to represent the exponentials. So let me again execute this number. You can use this. This is a large number because we are using a 20 to the power of 25.2523. And you can use a floor division operation also. For doing that we can use this double forward slash or modulus and then run this program. So we're gonna see this 0.0 numbers, and we have some more numbers like augmented operations numbers. Like if I give x equal to 3 and I'm gonna need to do an increment of this number x plus, I'm gonna use this x plus 5 and I'm going to print this function. So print x. Let me comment these lines and execute this program. Now we can see it gonna added x plus 5. So we can use like this also, and we can use one more type of operation like augmented assigned operators. So to represent that, x is equal to, or you can use x plus equal to 5. So this will do, x will add to the number of 5 and it will assign the value to our number. Let me comment this line and execute this line again. Now you can see we got the same 8 number, and we can use with other operations also. Like we can use this hyphen to do a subtraction, and you can run this program and you can see we can get the minus numbers. Similarly, you can do the same thing for all the operators like multiplication, division, modulus operation. So we can use for every operation. So based on our need we're going to use in each and every operators. So these are the basic operators that you need to know as part of the beginner series. And if you have any questions, queries, do comment in my comment section. I will help you out. So these are all planned for this session. I hope this session is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.